Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Uh, uh, it's a long time that we have performed a practical of Linux. Last we have seen a practical uh, how to assign permission to file like a read, write and execute permission with for owner group and other. Now we are moving next practical, the partition in the Linux. Right now we have Red Hat OS, Red Hat. So we are partition how to create partition in the Red Hat. First of all, you can see there are three types of partition in the Red Hat. One is a primary, extended and logical, and there are four primary partition, and you can create extended and logical partition by subdividing the primary partitions. Now let's see the partition. So this is our then this is the our command how to show the partition. Fdisk space m. So this is the command of our partition. Suppose these are the partition, like you can see there are Linux extended swap. Swap means you can understand like a memory size double of RAM. Like similarly in the Windows you can see the virtual RAM. That is the concept here, Linux swap partitions. I have already in first video I have explained in the first video of installation while this 6 basic partition how to do. Now suppose it depends on size. Suppose is a 1000 MB 2004, that means there is a booting permission, and 10,000 MB means that is a home partition. That is a different partition and blocks. And you can see the partition size like this. What is the use of partition? What is the this is still using this 32% or this little. Now you can see there is a these are the partition. Okay, now we are creating a new partition. So fdisk /dev /sda, and there are several options for like these are help. You can check the partition like m how print this menu, n is adding a new partition for n, and d for delete, and there is a save write table to disk and exit. First we are creating the partition, then new. Now we are giving size like 1000 MB. Okay, the 1000 MB partition 7 is created. Now create is now we can save a partition table has been added. Okay, now one more command is for take effect of this partition. Part command that we have to run. Now these right now we are like how to format that partition. We can first see the how what is the 7 partition. You can see the like 7 number partition is created. Now what is the method of how to format the participant. Like first of one, you have to run command like nkfs ext4 or you can take ext3. These are the file allocation table that you can take. You can also take ext3 like a similar file allocation like in ntfs or FAT32 in Windows. So now this is the formatting is done. Now one more thing, how to use this participant. Now we have created, but how to store data. So suppose you have to create the directory like a make directory like a mnt/data. Okay. Then we cannot directly save data in the partition, so we have to mount. /dev data mounting inside. Now we can enter in the mount like a cd/. Right now only one file is available. It's a direct system file, loss plus found. Now we can create file like suppose touch. We can say like a touch file 1, file 2. You can note touch is a 0 KB file. We can also make a get file 4. You can how this is the file that we can have data. Now these are the 4 files. Okay, file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4. Now these are the files in the storing by default in Dev. Suppose these are the files saved in the, so we can check this. Just a minute. Now we have to remove from this directory. Again check. These are the you can say there's a 1% use of for MNT data dev/sta7. Now we can try unmount. Umount /mnt we have unmount like person. Now we can check data. There is no data. We can try again for mount. So can see this data. So if unmount, we cannot show the data. So this is no, again. Now again unmount. These are the files which is by default in the root partition. Root slash is not a proper root because this is the proper root. These are the anaconda files, and whenever you use the proper root partition, that was the root slash. Now now we want to delete that partition. So again fdisk slash partition number. It will ask the partition number. Right now if we can delete 652, then it will lose our operating system functionality. Okay, so don't do that mistake. Okay. Now we check. You can see there is no partition. So this is the basic concept, how to create the partition, how to delete partition, how to mounting, how to add in, how to delete it. So this is a first practical of partition. There are so many practicals for next. So please do subscribe my channel Tushar Prajapati and stay connected. Thanks for the day.